Alright. So tara. Mag-tsaa muna tayo o mag-karak tea. Let's go. So ito pala yung budget for tonight. So 10 dirham. So that is approximately 160 in pesos. Actually good na to para sa isang tao for snacks only. Tas karak lang. Pasok na yan. Okay, pakora. Yan. Mga Indian food, Indian snacks. Knock knock. You have fresh milk chai? Egg. Fresh milk chai ba? How much for fresh milk chai? One.
Sugar?
Yeah, sugar please. Ito. Chai muna tayo. And then, how much for pakora?
1 dirham 3 piece.
1 dirham only. It's for my Facebook. Yeah, TikTok as well. Yeah.
Pakora?
Yeah, pakora egg dirham.
Your ID TikTok?
It's Ed.
Huh?
Ed De Jesus. That one. Yeah, that's me.
1 dirham pakora and 1
Fresh milk.
Brother, how are you?
Yeah, you again.
Yeah, good.
Nice to see you. Yeah, change here. Thank you, bro. Okay, we actually got the good stuff. 1 fresh milk chai. So, fresh milk yan. Tapos, isang 1 dirham pakora. Ang pakora is siya? Para siyang gulay na minash up. Prito. So, yun. Dito siya. Tapos, yan. Meron lang siya mga spices like sili and salt, pepper, and other spices like mint. Para siyang okoy. Parang yun yung pinaka sa kanya, description. So, let's try. Ano? Sa Jaryo. Harap. Medyo maanghang lang. Pero, sa taste, panalo kasi nga. Hindi ko masabi kung ma-mint, pero merong mint. For sure. One more. Grabe yung pawis ko. Kahit mainit. Chai is life. Sabayan pa ng pakora. Ay, wah. Perfect budget meal snack. So, inabot lang siya ng 3 dirham. 2 dirham sa chai, sa tsaa. Tapos 1 dirham lang dito. So, yun. Panalo pa rin.